an exciting announcement we just made is that MRS technology, the same technology that enables SQ3000, the KLA-Tencor backend application, the Nordson 3D AOI application, we have leveraged the technology to enable a fast, accurate, and easy to use 3D scanner. It's a fairly disruptive launch. We call the product CyberGauge 360. It just started beta testing earlier this month, and we are really excited to take a fast, accurate, and easy to use scanner in this 3D scanning world. It can generate a full 3D CAD file in a couple minutes with 20 plus million data points. The accuracy is 20 micron 3 sigma. There are many applications that CyberGauge can be used for, whether it's medical products, whether it's plastics, metals, aerospace, defense. I mean, the applications are countless. It could be incoming QA, outgoing QA, an input file generator for 3D printing, and so on and so forth. Time will tell how CyberGauge gets used. I'm sure it's going to be used in multiple ways. Some customers may prefer to replace some of their metrology equipment in their metrology lab to do fast, accurate measurements. Some may use it in line next to a molding machine. So there may be near-line, in-line, or offline applications with CyberGauge. To generate a scan, it requires absolutely no training. It's literally as simple as putting your cup of tea in a microwave oven and pressing a button to heat it up. It's literally that simple. So I'm going to open the door, take any object, in this case a standard architectural mold that goes on in houses and ceilings, place it on 3 pins here, as simple as that, shut the door, then go to my computer screen and press run. It really is as simple as clicking the run button, waiting for a couple minutes to generate the 3D CAD file, and you have a full 3D CAD file. To generate an inspection report, you need to program the machine ahead of time so that it has a pre-programmed CAD file. So the new file will be compared to the pre-programmed file, and then an automatic inspection report will be generated. It's really as simple as it gets. Really as simple as it gets.